Good morning, my dear students. We were discussing the question answers of chapter 5, the shopping list mystery. The rest of the question answers we will see today. We already discussed the first question of answer the questions with reference to context. Today we are starting with question number 2. We began following her. We noticed that she was doing something very odd when she went to one small grocery store. Question A. Who said these lines? Where was he at the time? Who was in the audience? The answer is, on behalf of the cryptography department of the Belgium police, a gentleman came with the case of unsolved shopping list mystery. He said these words. He was in the stage at the time. Sandeep was there in the audience. Second question. What is the speaker described in the given lines? Who is referred to as she? The speaker is talking about unsolved case, the shopping list mystery. Jane Egmont, who is working in that jewelry, who was taking down orders, is referred to as she. Third question. Why did the speaker and his companions begin to follow her? The answer is, Les Cabochons, one of the largest jewelry store in Brussels, came to the police with a very odd complaint. Over the past years, several of their customers had been robbed while on their way with a lot of money to pick up jewelry they had ordered. The store was worried that an insider was involved and was in league with criminal elements. So the police checked every employee and suspected a lady called Jane Egmont, whose job was to take down orders. They followed her to understand whether she is involved in the crime or not. Fourth question, question number D. What odd things was noticed by them? The police noticed a very odd thing when she went to one small grocery store. She handed over her shopping list to the owner after she had picked up whatever she wanted. Normally, no one hands over the shopping list after they complete their shopping. This was the odd thing that they noticed. The fifth question. What did they realize and what action did they take? They realized that the list was the code by which she was passing on the message. Within a few days, when another customer was robbed, they arrested Jane Egmont and the grocery shop owner. We will move to the third question of answer the questions with a reference to context. The context is, can you see it? Can you see what I mean? Said Sandeep excitedly as the slide was shown on the wall. Question number A. What slide was shown on the wall? Where were they at the time? Who else was present? The answer is, the slides which contain the shopping list which Jane Egmont shared to grocery shop owner was shown by the projector. They were at the hotel room, except Belgium police, Antonio Saccherini, and Sandeep's uncle Shager, and Sandeep was present there. The next question. Why was Sandeep excited? The answer is, Sandeep found out that mystery about the shopping list code lies in the sheet of music and not in the shopping list. The piece of music that they showed in the slides is taken from Tchaikovsky's Nutcracker Suits. So, the finding of Sandeep about this unsolved case was correct. That is the reason why he became more excited. Next question. C. How did Sandeep explain what he saw on the slide? Explain the code and identify the person who cracked it. The answer is, Sandeep found out that the shopping list contained a piece of music codes, and that codes is from Nutcracker Suits. He took the violin and played that notes one by one. Sandeep read out the names of the musical notes appearing on the slide. A, B, C sharp, D, A, G, A, F, E, A, B, A, C, C, E. Someone has cleverly inserted a few notes into the original sheet of music. When Sandeep explained this, the policeman cracked the real note inserted there. That notes were the name and place of people, those who are going to buy jewelry with lot of money. So our Sandeep cracked the entire code with the help of policeman. Last question. How was he appreciated by everyone in the end? That answer is there in page number 49, second last paragraph. The Belgian police department sent a special letter of thanks to Sandeep. The Les Capuchin's jewelry shop in Brussels sent him a diamond-studded gold-tied pin shaped like a tiny violin. From Antonio Saccherini, there was a surprise gift too, a beautiful, very expensive violin with a note that read, "To my young friend Sandeep," a world-class violin to match his world-class talent. Sandeep's father and mother was very delighted and highly proud about their son's achievement. By this way, everybody appreciated Sandeep. This is the end of question answer discussion. So dear students, write all question answers into copy.